Another thing Wike said is that he said that he is going to negotiate with the Fulani Herdsmen. This one, the cows are working all around Abuja. He says that the grass that these cows are going to eat are not in the city center. They are inside. They have. You want to see how he can negotiate so that they will not have open grazing. Yes, we give them, prepare them. Yes, we give prepare them, prepare them. We give prepare them, prepare them. Yes, we give prepare them, prepare them. Yes, we give. I see the sweet us. He's a friend them. I see the friend them. He's a friend us. I see the sweet us. He's a friend them. As he's a friend them. He got the sweet us. You see, yes, a Wike. First of all, congratulations to former governor of Rivers State, Governor Yeson Wike. You know, I like that man. The reason why I like Wike is because of his action. Me, I like action people that have action in government. You know, as a minister that they have just sworn in yesterday, the things that Wike said are the kind of things I want to hear from somebody that is ready to work. Not that they will give you minister, you just sit down. You don't say anything, you don't do anything. You don't even give us your vision, your mode of operandum. But Wike, immediately they swore him in as a minister. It was the way he even shake Tinubu. He first of all got small thing for Tinubu, then he now shake him. Show you that the federal capital territory will come alive. Because over time, there are so many errors that have happened in the federal capital territory. That is Abuja. Now, Yeson Wike is the minister. Immediately they swore him in. The first thing he did was to go to the office. He went to FCDA, to the office, resumed as a minister, had a press conference where he said a lot of things that I believe that are true. Now, in case you missed the update of what Wike said, maybe you have not seen what's the interview of what Wike said. You don't have any problem. I am here to give you the update. That is why I'm putting on my glass, because Wike is now the one in the FCT. Before I will tell you what Wike has said, first of all, share the video and follow my page. Also, make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can understand what I'm about to say. Now, before the swearing in of Wike, so many things has happened in Abuja in terms of land. Land has been one of the major problems in Abuja. Congestion has been another problem. If you come to Abuja, this period you come to Abuja, you think that you are in Lagos. Traffic because of congestion. Now, there are so many real estate companies that came up in the last administration, different kind of real estate. As a matter of fact, I was even a brand ambassador to one of the real estates in the past. I never knew that real estate is even a scam. Yes, I'm telling you, they are a scam. I never knew. They never had a land. All the lands that they even sold, even the ones they even gave me, I can't even, till now, I didn't see land, I didn't see anybody. Too many real estate are even calling me till now to come and be a brand ambassador to their real estate. But I am scared to even be a brand ambassador again, because I don't want to push a bad brand associated with my own brand. Tomorrow somebody will call me and say, Shaibu, you are the one that gave me the contact. Oh, You are the one that told me to buy. I even bought because you are a brand ambassador. It will fall back to me. It will affect my brand. If they are going to call the brand out online, they will add my handle. Too many fake real estate company came out during the last administration. They don't give land based on merit. That is what Wike is saying. Wike is saying that the lands that they are giving you a land because you are a developer. What that means is that as a developer, when they are giving you a land, it means that you have the capacity to even build the land to a level whereby you can sell the houses. Now, what Wike is saying is that they go to FCDA, they collect land for 200,000. Now, that land, they will not divide it into so many units. They will not be selling the land, looking for who will bring 1 billion to come and buy a plot of land. You tell me that the area is open, isn't there for town? Yeah. Something you collect in FCDA for 200,000, you are coming to sell it for a very high price. Overnight, people are just becoming big boy, selling fake land. The land doesn't even have complete papers. That one aside. Now, Governor Nyesom Wike, former governor of Rivers State, said that Asiwaju has given him a mandate to make Abuja a city like the capital city of Nigeria. Abada Allah. You come to the country, you see FCT dark. All the street light is not working. What happens? What are they doing? They will give money to go and fix the street light. They will still pay Ambola to go and cut the light, so that they will still award another contract for you to go and still fix the light. That one is one. Darkness in Abuja, Wike said he's going to solve it. Now, if I'm going to advise you, Wike, don't continue with all these electric street lights. What is raining now is solar lights. Solar lights. Solar. That's why you have companies like Blue Camel Energy. Yes, Blue Camel Energy is there to give the whole of Abuja solar street light. That one, nobody can go and disconnect it. In the morning, the light will be off. In the afternoon, it's charging because of sunlight. The whole night, the light is on. There will be no darkness in the whole city. Blue Camel Energy is there to give you the best street light ever, tested and trusted. This one is a company I know. I can vouch for them. I know them now. Now, we came made another observation that if you go to Abuja, you see that all the manholes they have been stolen. Because you know why? The installers of the manhole, they don't seal it. They will put it, send Dambola to go and steal it. Dambola will bring it back to them. Then the government will not give them money to go and fix it. They will not take that same one to go and fix. Have you seen any new manhole in the ground? None. Another thing Wike said is that he said that he is going to negotiate with the Fulani Herdsmen. This one, the cows are working all around Abuja. He says that the grass that these cows are going to eat are not in the city center. They are inside. They have. You want to see how he can negotiate so that they will not have open grazing. He's going to negotiate with them and see how they can stop open grazing in the city capital. This is the city. Abuja is what represents the country. If Abuja is dirty, it means automatically the whole state in the country is dirty. Yes, you are giving the whole state a bad picture. So Wike is saying that he is going to make sure that he is going to negotiate with the herdsmen so that cow will not be seen all around. Now, if you go to the villa and you see 50, 500 goats, 500 cow, what will you say? Huh? So he said he's going to negotiate. Another thing that Wike said that I like, he's going to do. I hope, Wike, I hope all these things you are saying, it's not that you are trying to tell us because you want to show us that you can talk. We are recording everything you are saying. When the chiefs are down, we will ask you, you told us you are going to do this. You didn't do it. Another thing that Wike said, he said that he wants to decongest the city. Whereby, how does he intend to decongest the city center? He is going to decongest it by developing the rural areas in Abuja. If they have roads in all those places, basic amenity, they have lights, those people, they don't even want to come to town. They will stay in those rural areas and do their business. So Wike said he's going to decongest the city center by developing. And he said he's not a minister that will sit down in the office and people will go and bring report for him. He will be seen all around the city, which means anywhere you go in Abuja, you see Wike supervising projects. All the road projects, Wike will go and supervise. Make sure that this one is working, that contractor is working. There are so many roads they have given money. Till now, they didn't touch it. They will do half and leave half. They will eat the money. But this one, he said he will stop it. He will, Mr. Project will go round. If it's that one, I trust Wike. He will go round. So that is the best way to decongest the city center by developing the rural areas. So that those people will not come out. They will, everywhere is going to be commercialized. Business will be happening in here. Here, you don't have to come and congest the town. Traffic everywhere. You can't go anywhere again, Abuja. It's like Lagos. Another one that he said that I need to let you know, he said that if you know that you built a house on a green area land, or you have illegal land, and you have gone to build your house on it, that you should kindly back out. That he said there is no begging, there is no sorting. This is a must. That they are going to evacuate you if you have a house on an illegal land, or you have built a house in the green area, or you have built a restaurant, or you have built a bar or something, that they are going to take it out. Now, Wike, what you are saying, I understand that you are trying to work, and in the process of working, you are going to hurt some people. But now, there is something they call compensation. Sometimes these people don't know. It's people inside the FCDA that are giving all this permission. The corruption is starting from inside FCDA. So maybe the person that even give them the permit or the land paper is not even in FCDA again, or they can't even locate the person. What you need to do, you don't need to just demolish and make them stranded. That is creating more poverty. What you are supposed to do, if you are going to demolish a person's house, there are units of houses that the government has built. Nobody is inside, empty. They have not given anybody. Why don't you ship the person from there, take the person to that house, and compensate the person to even get another, or you give the person another better land. There are ways to go about this thing, not to keep somebody stranded. That one that El Rufai did, that they demolish house and make people stranded. No, do the one that people will know that you have conscience. You want to build on grey area, you know that is wrong, you want to build. Now they will not remove you. You will not say somebody is bad. I'm just appealing to Wike to please do it with wisdom. And the one that you have Okada everywhere, they need to see how they can address that. Transport system is the FCT that you say you are going to bring. Fine, bring it. Those transport system, bring it. Buses should be available. It will help. It will even reduce the cost of living. Transportation is very high. Transport is high. You don't know if you have motor. You don't know what people that don't have car are suffering. People that don't have car because of lack of proper transportation. People are entering taxi that they don't even know. One chance will happen. So many people enter taxi. When they enter the taxi, they collect their phone, collect their money, collect their bags. Sometimes they even choke them something. Very rare cases that they even survive from that incident. So, but if we have a government transport system, all this crime will reduce now. Yeah, you know the things to do it. So Wike said so many things that he's not the minister that will just come to the office and sit down. He wants to work. He wants to make sure Abuja has a light. That one I've told you who to use. Blue Camel Energy. That is the best solar company ever, energy company to use. I've told you. So do what you want to do. You have my support, but that one I will not say because people want to survive and they will go and put tomato, all these things on the road. Sometimes you want to drive, you don't have road to pass. Tomatoes, people has put their market on the road. You can't pass. They are going to create a market for you to go and sell that thing. Anybody that wants to buy something should go to the market, not the road. Litters the road everywhere, dirty city. No, now. So, Governor Nyesom Wike, should I say minister? Sorry, pardon me. Minister Nyesom Wike, you have our support to make Abuja come back to normal again. Clean the city again, sanitize the city. Yes, even as I'm trying to talk, tell you what Wike has said. Some people will still watch the video and say, this one don't have sense. So if they demolish the house, where are they going to? Did you not hear when I said that Wike should propose solution before demolition? You will still look at me and say I don't have sense. I agree. I don't argue anymore. If you say I don't have sense, I agree. But I'm the spice creator. This is not something you argue with me. Google me if you like. Don't Google me. That is your business.